Hello everyone, today in this video, we will explore the simple process of changing the Roblox theme to dark mode. To begin, launch the Roblox application and navigate to the bottom right corner, where you will find the My option. Click on this option, followed by the first option labeled Settings. Once in the Settings menu, click on the first option again, which says Account Information. Scroll down slightly until you locate the Theme option, which is situated below the Language option. Click on the Theme option and select Dark. You will notice that Roblox has been successfully switched to dark mode. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative.